Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you know that video is the king of content these days. Whether it's social media, sales pages, or YouTube itself, people are watching more video than ever, and it's showing no signs of slowing down in 2025. But creating good videos, especially ones that actually help you sell something, can feel like a full-time job. Recording, writing, editing, finding the right voice, syncing it all up, it's a lot. That's why I want to talk to you today about a tool I've been testing out called QuickVSL. It's an AI-powered platform designed to help you create what are called video sales letters, or VSLs for short. And the cool thing is, you don't need to be on camera, you don't need to hire a voice actor, and you don't even need to write a script if you don't want to. QuickVSL takes care of all of that. Here's the deal. You start by giving QuickVSL just a few basic details about your product, service, or offer. You can also upload content you already have, like a podcast, a voice memo, or a transcript from a webinar. Once the system has your input, the built-in AI goes to work. It generates a full script that's focused on conversion, meaning it's written to help you actually sell, not just sound good. Then, it automatically turns that script into a professional-looking video. I'm talking synced voiceovers, slide transitions, visual effects, and even background music. You can tweak the design to match your brand, change the fonts, swap out the colors, and even upload your own background images or videos. And if you're someone who likes to have full control, QuickVSL makes that super easy too. One feature I love is the audio integration. You can use the AI voice generator to create natural-sounding voiceovers in seconds. It actually sounds human, not robotic, and you can choose from different tones and styles depending on the vibe of your video. If you want to use your own voice, that's an option too. Just upload your audio, and QuickVSL will sync it perfectly with your slides. Now, for those of you who are familiar with 11 Labs, here's something interesting. QuickVSL integrates directly with 11 Labs voice technology. That means you can get ultra-realistic voiceovers, or even clone your own voice, and use that in your videos. It's next-level tech that makes your videos feel a lot more personal and professional. But QuickVSL doesn't just stop at helping you create the content. It also helps you share it. There's a built-in page builder, so you can publish your VSL on a sleek, distraction-free landing page right inside the platform. You don't need to mess with a separate website or complicated funnels. Just create, publish, and share. It also tracks performance, so you can see how your video is doing in real time, who's watching, clicking, and converting. Something else I think is worth mentioning is the viral pay traffic engine. This is one of the standout features for me. It's designed to help you get organic traffic to your videos without paying for ads. So if you're working with a tight budget, or just want to see if your video converts before spending money on promotion, this feature gives you a head start. QuickVSL was created by Neil Napier, who's been around in the digital marketing world for a while now. He's the guy behind tools like P-Commerce and Reach Out Suite, and he really focuses on making marketing easier for entrepreneurs. You can tell this tool was built with simplicity and results in mind. It's not overloaded with flashy things you don't need. It's clean, intuitive, and made for people who want to get stuff done without wasting time. Whether you're a coach, a course creator, a freelancer, or you run a small business, QuickVSL can seriously save you hours of work. And if you're someone looking to make extra money, it even comes with a free commercial license, which means you can use it to create videos for clients and charge for that service. No extra fees, no hidden upgrades. It's a real opportunity to add a new income stream without much effort. So if you've been wanting to create video content that actually sells, but the whole process just felt too overwhelming or too expensive, QuickVSL might be exactly what you need. It's fast, it's smart, and it's designed for people who want results without the headache. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, drop your questions in the comments, And don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews like this. See you in the next one.